Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we are going to take a look at a watch that has raised well over $2 million on Indiegogo. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my D1 Milano Ultra Thin. I'm actually pretty excited to be wearing this one. I thought I lost this watch. I had been missing it, hadn't been able to find it for a while. Found it packed away in a suitcase from the last time I went to Vegas a year ago. So that's how long I've been looking for this one. All right, so while we're opening this one up, I was going to say make sure if you're looking to save a little bit of money, we have some promo codes and discount codes from Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast if you click the link below. Also, if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. My brother and I try and keep some old cars going down the road. And if you see what we have here, this is the Ciga Design Z-Series watch. Now, this for me was one of those super impulse buys. I fell into all the advertising. I saw it, liked it, and pulled the trigger on it, which I believe I paid $269 at the buy-in. Then almost immediately after, Ivan over at Three Hand Media, used to be Watch Me Unboxing, sent me a link to a Ciga Design watch that was on, Alibaba or one of those other sites, and it was cheap. I can't remember how cheap. If I can get the plastic open here, it was definitely way cheaper than what I paid for this watch. The one that was on Alibaba or whatever it was also was a standard stainless steel, whereas this one is a titanium. And then I kind of wondered, well, is that a copy or a knockoff of this watch, or how many do you have to buy? Who knows? The interesting thing was the customs label for this said it was valued at $80. Man, they make you do a little bit of digging to get in here. Looks like it comes with two straps. Got a silicone and a leather. There's a quick look at the watch itself. So this one is a titanium case with sapphire crystal. Let me throw it on one of these straps really quick. Good thing here is looks like we've got quick release straps. Feels pretty lightweight. I mean, being that titanium, which is kind of nice. Snaps right in. There we go. Like I said, after I purchased this one, I immediately had my doubts. And I'm still kind of having it. This one has been sitting on my desk for quite a while. And part of it was that initial disappointment after seeing versions of it on Alibaba or whatever the website was. I did the the crazy like impulse buy, saw it, liked the skeleton dial on it, and it actually doesn't look too bad on my roughly 7-inch wrist so far. So I'm kind of digging it. It might grow on me. Maybe my disappointment won't be so bad on this one. It's pretty cool. I've always liked the skeleton dial watches. I love being able to see the movement and see everything that's beating around in there. This one actually has a Seagull AAA class self-winding mechanical movement. The reason why I know that right off the top of my head is they actually give you all the specs here, so that's kind of cool. I won't have to do a ton of research on the watch itself. When I do a follow-up, it's going to be more how I actually feel about it after the fact. I think when I bought in, there was it had reached 1 million plus on Indiegogo, and now it's well over $2 million. And I think there are some still available. So I'll put the link below in case you guys are interested. But, so far there's a couple things that I'm not sure of the way it fits on top of my wrist. When you're looking at it from the side, is kind of weird. I don't know. I like it, but I'm going to have to wear it a little bit and see what I really think. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.